Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Chime login problems, app and account errors step by step clearly. First, confirm your phone has a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Restart your phone completely to clear temporary glitches that can block sign-in. Check if Chime servers are down by searching Chime status and waiting if there is an outage. Make sure you are entering the correct email address or phone number linked to your Chime account. Carefully retype your password and check caps lock and keyboard language settings. If you forgot the password, use Forgot Password and complete the reset using your email or SMS code. Open your email inbox and spam folder to find the reset link or verification message. Update the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play to get the latest bug fixes. Force close the Chime app and open it again to reload the login session. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll to Chime, and allow cellular data if you are not on Wi-Fi. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Chime, Mobile Data, and enable background data if it is off. Clear the Chime app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, Chime, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If you use iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the Chime app to remove corrupted app data. Set your phone's date and time to automatic because incorrect time can break secure login. Disable any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger security blocks during sign-in. Turn off ad blockers or security apps that might interfere with Chime's verification screens. Try logging in from a different device if possible to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. If the app fails, try logging in via the official Chime website using a secure browser. Check for the exact error message and screenshot it so you can reference it later. If you are stuck on verification, request a new code and wait 2 minutes before trying again. Make sure your phone number can receive SMS and that Do Not Disturb is not blocking alerts. If your account is locked, wait the required time and avoid repeated attempts that extend the lock. If you see account suspended or similar alerts, contact Chime support through the official help page. Verify your identity details are correct if Chime requests additional verification for security. Remove and re-add saved passwords in your password manager to avoid autofill mistakes. Check your device storage space and free at least 500 megabytes because low storage can crash the app. As a last step, reset your network settings to fix deeper connection problems on your phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.